Bobby Bobone has just successfully opened his 1000th tab. He, along with many other fleshed and non-fleshed folks, has helped raise millions of dollars for charity just by opening tabs. How, you might ask? Through today's sponsor, Tab for a Cause. It's a simple browser attachment which sprinkles some ads on every new tab opened, then sends the revenue directly to charity. Tab for a Cause is fully transparent, so you can see exactly how the money is spent, plus all their code is open source. Bobby has chosen to send their tab cash to Action Against Hunger, a charity working to prevent and treat severe malnutrition around the world. So why not join them to do some good? It's completely free, and all you have to do is click on the link below. And thanks again to Tab for a Cause for sponsoring this video. Alright, ad time over. Let's start. Investing in rare fish is the ultimate move. Want to flex your wealth? Invest in rare fish. Want to buy a house? Invest in rare fish. Want to set up your future? Fuck 401k or super. Invest in rare fish. Whilst unusual or rare fish have long been video game staples, it would appear the first page to reference their value in comparison to other memes of accumulating wealth would be entrepreneur, the greatest area on the internet to really educate those who would be interested in making it big. On a side note, entrepreneur is worth talking about because it consistently manages to take iconography commonly presented within real Instagram hustle pages and converts them into satire so good it could be taken as fact by those who aren't familiar with shitposting. As you can tell, rare fish is a pretty heated topic, and for good reason. Investing advice is still at large online, despite being satirized at pretty much every turn, as genuinely burning oneself at any given opportunity is generally not something most people want. It taps into the whole pull yourself up by your bootstraps blanket advice that works for some, but not everyone, considering there are those that do need extra support, to the point where telling them to help themselves by investing money they don't have may as well be as useful as telling them to invest in rare fish. As a result, the world is witnessing some truly spectacular piss-taking. The incredible lengths creators are going to in order to demonstrate which rare fish are valuable, as well as ones that are not so good, take on the exact tone and presentation of a genuine investing influencer, demonstrating just how far these ideas can be expanded. At any rate, it's fascinating how a throwaway line from an Instagram page has captured the attention of so many for so long, ensuring it has built itself up to be a full-on recognized form of grinding to get max dollars. However, there does seem to be a legitimate NFT project called Rare Fish, but it would appear to be a terrible idea to buy into it. They make awful memes after all. It's fascinating how video game culture stemming from RuneScape or other IPs can distinctly influence satire, which in turn is imitated by real-life projects. Essentially, investing in rare fish continues to be a common theme amongst satirical hustle culture pages and creators, and in doing so it ensures a clever demonstration of the futility and silliness of dedicating one's entire life to chasing money. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.